Good morning folks, how are ye? Today I decided I'm going to do a little bit of gardening and I thought you might like to come along with me. So if that's your kind of thing, come along. Hi guys, so here I am getting some soil from one of my compost bins. I sieve through it and put the remains into another compost bin so nothing gets wasted. You get the tractor? You get the tractor? I'm actually thinking of making this type of content into a new mini-series as I love gardening and growing my own produce as much as possible. I'm not a pro by any stretch of the imagination, but I find that gardening helps me deal with my anxiety and helps me calm down. I just find the whole process really relaxing. So, where was my flower that I brought out? No, it's over here.
Wow.
Okay, ready? Lift it up.
No, not that way.
Take that out. Put that down there.
Hey. Okay.
I need it over here. No, put that down. Let's go over here with this one, see? These two stay together.
Egg.
Yeah, there's eggs in there. Do you want to mix it all up?
Yeah.
You mix that up. Now what I'm going to do here is I'll take this one out. This is a lemon tree. We've got 2 lemon trees in here. We've got these little flowers.
Egg.
Next I'm going to repot some plants as they have grown. I have 2 small cherry trees here and a daisy type flower here. I do say that they are lemon trees in the video, but I actually do have other lemon trees that are in a similar situation and I have repotted them already, just for clarification. Oops, excuse me, Saoirse. Take this one out. One lemon.
Lucky.
No, it's lovely. It's a lemon. Lemon tree. 2. Oh no, these are cherry trees actually. These are cherry trees. Yeah, no, the cherries.
Yeah.
And these are our flowers.
Okay.
Hey, be careful. Okay. So take all the... Okay, so we get this little pot. Look.
Yeah.
Little, no. You get a small one. No, stop. This is too big.
I win.
You win, did you?
Yeah.
Here.
We won in there.
Did you win for cherry tree? She's doing good.
These cherry trees I have actually grown from seed. My neighbour gave me a bunch of cherries a couple of years ago and I actually planted them and this is where we are. So hopefully one day they will actually bear fruit. I'm not sure how this works when seeds are germinated like this, but hopefully one day I'll get something out of them.
Not that big.
Not big, is it? Good soil. Look at the colour of that. That's great soil.
What's that color?
It's a cherry. 2 cherries. And this is a flower. I can't remember what these are called, but they're very nice.
Wow. The color for the flower. That's what flower.
Mommy likes to grow flowers.
Wow.
That's okay.
Big.
Can I use this one? I'll use the stuff over here. You can do another one. Because you're very good at it. Here you go. You fill that one up. Fill that one up. Look. Now we have our flowers done. That's 3 done. Right. How many more I have to do? You're scared of the wiggle?
Yeah.
Don't be scared of the wiggle.
Okay. Right.
Okay. Excuse me? So look, we got this thing. Little garden clippers. Right, will you fill up this one for me? Okay, we're going to do this one.
Yeah.
Right, let's see what the crack is here. So what's in here? We've got tomatoes and we have some basil. Okay. Oh, she's full of roots. I wonder if she's not doing anything right. Right. And I bet you there's tomato roots too.
No.
Do you know? No?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No, he's not eating.
Is he not?
Yeah.
What is he doing then?
Okay, one more.
There we go.
Hi.
That's that off it. Oh, it smells good, doesn't it?
Yummy.
Yummy. Oh, and we've got what's this? An avocado seed. All right. So basil. And we've got that. We need that.
We was that.
We might do.
We was that
Oh,
one.
we'll keep it there just in case anyway.
Oh, we was that one.
Do we?
Yeah.
Let's pull some of this out. Okay.
No, we
She
was
needs a
that
bit
one.
more.
No, we was that one.
Do we?
Yeah. That one.
Okay. Now, hold on. Give me a second.
Hi. What happened now?
Oh, really?
Mom. I want that.
No, I don't need that one yet. We need that one for the next one. Oh, really? Oh, what did you see? What's in there now? Because that is going to be our tomatoes.
Hey, what is that?
Probably a worm. Okay. Sarah, can you give me
Pop.
this? Oh, did it pop? Did it?
Yeah. We with that one.
Mm-hmm.
With that one.
Okay, give me the stick. Kind of help these ones stay upright. So now we've separated the tomatoes and oops, a daisy. I'll help you in a second.
Move! Mom, move!
Hold on. So move our cherries.
I always give my plants a good soaking of water after I have replanted them. I feel it helps them get over the shock of being uprooted. Plus I shall also give them some feed in the evenings as well, just to keep them nice and healthy. So I found this avocado seed in one of my little pots there, and I'm just checking to see if it has any life in it, and it turns out that it has. It has a little root at the end, so I may as well just plant it and see what happens.
Oh, oi.
Oh, what have you got?
Oh, oi.
What's that?
Oh,
Sweet.
yeah, oh,
Mm-hmm.
that's mine.
Hold on.
That's mine.
Mm-hmm.
No oi.
Mm-hmm.
That oi.
Take it. I'll put the rest of it in the bin, okay? Put that in the bin.
Don't speak.
Good girl. You ready?
Yeah,
So what's this one? Avocado.
yeah.
What is it?
Petal.
Avocado. Okay. I'm going to put some more soil in this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Do I do it? Fill her up. She needs lots of soil.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pat it in. Okay. Do you know what I might do actually? Switch her pots all together. Hold on. Let's see if we can take her out.
This is my avocado tree. I have 4 of them that I have brought on from seed. I'm very protective of them as they are a tropical tree and they like a lot of heat and a lot of water. Right, give me that. Give me this, quick. She's a lot of roots, huh? Be careful, pick it up, don't drop it. What are you doing?
Hey, what's that?
You just need to break down some of these roots because there's just a bit much. Right. I decided to switch pots here at the avocado as I felt she needed the space. And honestly, she's thriving. She's been doing really good. I was afraid I'd lose her considering I did take off a lot of the roots. But yeah, I think I did the right choice there. She's actually doing really well. Yeah, put them all in here.
What's that mold? Here's a What's that? What's that? How did that thing? How did that thing?
Hello! I don't think that's your daddy. Have put on you. Right, ready? Let's lift her up.
Hey.
Oh, she's done now. She's looking good. Put her here for a little bit. Now this little rose bush I have here is super tiny.
Ding dong, ding dong.
Ding dong. But it was actually started from a cutting that I managed to save.
Put the door. I have a bullet door.
I don't know that.
Yeah, the bullet door.
Really?
Yeah, the bullet door. A bullet door.
Oh, really?
Yeah, a bullet door. No, wait the bullet door.
Taking out the weeds is vital in a garden like mine. Doing it regularly helps it look neat and tidy.
Hey, do we have a flower? Yeah,
No secrets in this house.
we're for the door.
I'm just checking the roots on my dahlias. They look good, so I'm just going to replant them here.
So folks, that's about all I'm going to be doing for today. Yeah, that's about it. Right, you ready, Saoirse?
Yeah. For the boy.
Huh?
For the boy.
No, not yet. We're going to go down this way. Okay, you ready? Let's go. Hello folks, So that is all the gardening that I'm going to do today. I'm absolutely knackered. I don't know why. Like, I always find working in the fresh air, doing a little bit, always makes me quite sleepy and tired. I should take a nap really, shouldn't I? But yeah, I have too much to do for that kind of malarkey. So I have done all my avocados. I have repotted them, or not repotted them, but just kind of resoiled them. My dahlias I've just resoiled as well because I wanted to check the tubers on them to see if they were dead or alive. They're good, so hopefully in the next couple of weeks we'll have some blooms. This is the time of year that I really get back into my gardening, and I've lost a lot of plants this year. The frost took a lot. I've lost my sage, I've lost my strawberries, which I had been growing for nearly 3 years now. We had them grown from seed. Yeah, my sage and my strawberries. I'm not so sure about my peach tree. I'm hoping she comes back. Peach trees kind of like look withery in the winter, but then they come back, so I'm hoping she comes back. She's one of my favourites. What else do I have? My banana tree is flying. Load of aloe vera babies coming in, so I'll have to like start repotting them. I have 4 avocados. They're all doing well. I have one upstairs. I need to look at her, but I'm not doing it today. I'll do it another day because I have to sort out my composter and do all that kind of stuff. So yeah, thank you for joining me on this wee journey. It's been nice to have you along with me. This is not my usual type of content, but it probably will be during the summer months and as we get through to harvest as well, because I will be growing a lot of things. Tonight what I'm going to do is I'm going to see what the crack is with my seeds and if I have any that I can actually use. Might plant some flowers in the next couple of days, but I'll bring you along for that as well. And yeah, thank you again so much for joining me here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd love to have you here, and I'll talk to you really soon. Bye.